We must open up the reality, what we had gone through in our life, then trying to cover up the bad moments. This vulnerability will give you the courage to stand up for what you want to become. So be vulnerable, open, transparent, talk about your emotionally down points, talk about your failures, talk about those moments pulled you down in life, talk about the mistakes you have done and how you came out from these bad days. This will connect you with the people. Don't hide your vulnerable side and what hurt you. Don't cover your real self. Show your real emotions. Show up to the people what you really are. Then people will connect with you. People will love you. People will trust you. This will give you the courage and power to show up to the world what you really are and what you can become.